look at a stretch sequence for the wrist and forearms, which is great if you spend a lot of time on the computer, driving, or if you're a massage therapist. All right, so getting started. I'm going to hold my forearm out parallel to the ground, and from here I'm just going to take my fingers and then bring them towards my body. Nice. All right, so then next I'm taking my fingers again, and I'm going to kind of torque them. So I've sort of bent my arm, and now my fingers are facing me, and I'm still going to give them a pull. All right, and then palms now facing the ceiling. Take the fingers and bend them towards my body again. Nice. Okay, so next side. This part's my favorite. Nice. Okay. Good. Shake it out. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you back at the spa very, very soon.